Let's see how to send the code snippet in Microsoft Teams. First, go to the chat or channel where you want to send the code snippet. Click on the compose box at the bottom of the chat window to start typing in your message. And to send the code snippet, click on the format icon. It looks like an A with a paintbrush below the compose box. Then click the code snippet icon in the formatting toolbar. A new window will pop up where you can paste your code, and you can select the appropriate programming language for your code from the language drop-down menu. And after that, just paste or type in your code in the box provided. Once you're done, click Insert and the code snippet will appear in the chat. Then click Send to share it with your team. And that's how to send a code snippet in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!